Yes, welcome back. The program now as it is hot. And what will they talk about today? Will they look into the outcome of the meeting where Oga Muhammad Buhari hold with APC House of Rep members yesterday? The outcome of the meeting will last for like 20 minutes, according to Chukwudi, and according to some newspapers. And yes, now the outcome. And from what we hear, they say the meeting also no day inconclusive, say they no finish them. But then Mr. Oga Muhammad Buhari also come and tell them, say, look, we make sure, say, on our resolve on our issue, so that we go move on. Say he give them 6 hours to make sure they resolve their meeting. So Chukwudi, right about now, you hear me? I don't get the confirmation. Say, be like saying at 20 minutes somehow, because I don't check on that paper. 20 minutes, now that meeting last. So
not be me, you go to tell, you go apologize to Nigerians because you see am for newspaper, read another thing. Tell Nigerians,
paper where you show me different from ours.
Don't be a House of Reps member. Tell Nigerians the truth.
I never said that.
Because now why we there here?
Wait, I said for another newspaper, but I saw it somewhere else.
What till you see for the first newspaper when you read?
I think it won't resemble two for my eye.
It won't resemble two. Our callers then buy
it won't resemble two, but they black that eventually.
The problem we dey discuss here na very important issue.
Yes,
but you are trivializing it.
Trivialize? What do you mean by trivializing?
Thank you very much.
I exaggerate or explode them.
For Nigeria to reach the level where we say our Oga Presido, they step into National Assembly to settle quarrel when they between people when they own party. It shows say wahala don dey.
In the history of our country, now the first time they happen with this.
The same political party. The same political party.
Now the first time they happen.
When we say party,
so
why see the person we want, and at the end, since the 9th of June, after promising Nigerians change, we are still going back to the same way.
They have
why you going to compare? Why you going to compare now with the past?
And stop.
Which move on? 6 hours meeting, and they're supposed to meet today.
They meet today, Chukwudi. Hold on. They meet today. Let us see the outcome of that meeting. They will meet. They have to meet today. So hold on.
Since they inaugurate this National Assembly on the 9th of June, combined hours, they don't meet up to 6 hours. When we say they meet for 6 hours to settle problem, the question we go ask me say, waiting there for the position of majority leader. When we say Femi Gbajabiamila talk say, if they don't give him that position, he no go rest.
Chukwudi.
Waiting in that position, when he talk say he no go rest. Why you put your ambition first before Nigerians?
The people in government, allow them do their thing. No, what is being about
this? Those people
it?
when they for government and they represent Nigerians, they must represent us. Oga Timothy all the way from Ikorodu. Today you are in trouble. I will fire you. Oga Timothy, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
See as I greet and me answer once. Oga Timothy, just fire on at the verse.
Nkubi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Timothy.
Okay. Witness is for these people, while with the National Assembly, I say they are not even there to think of the masses who put them into power.
Thank you.
Because if to see them go there, they think about us. All this while and for not last read this one.
Simple.
See, last week they supposed to resume plenary. They postponed until this week. Again, they're not settled. Now, the meeting ended in deadlock, inconclusive. All sorts of grammar have been used to describe the inability of APC to settle their problem. But my problem is that if they spend 2 months not to organize themselves, because tomorrow that will be 2 months, so they don't reach that place.
Thank you.
If they spend the first 2 months, they do all this rubbish, which time they will come settle down for legislative duty, we will take appoint them.
Answer,
so please, may I help us tell them, if they're not having this thing again, if they go come off that place after the next maybe after 1 year, so that better people go, get there if you do this thing. Because people like say this we don't make mistakes. Say we think of a change. Because if that this kind of change where they won't bring for us, please, this will not be one way we want. If they don't know what they want to do, all the people who vote them into power, maybe they record them, put better people there. Because this one we say, this one day there, that one other person 1 day there. How many people go there? Maybe they put somebody there. If they don't do, I mean they come out there. Because they don't blame PDP don't come out. What's how they do now? For the past 2 months now, tomorrow go reach 2 months. Now don't do that.
Okay, Timothy, thank you very much. If your own verse don't even they pass my own. So because of that one, I'm going to calm down. Talk with your Oga Timothy.
No, Oga Timothy was right about. I don't talk say no, but then I say it's right up. We say now the process then they and also they go resolve this matter. For Mr. President to meet with them yesterday, this matter is on
and
the
trend. And then come meet, do 6 hours meeting, and at the end they don't feel settled.
Of final
Oga Martins from Aba, I beg contribute to this talk. 2-0, I'm leading.
Why they cut into my talk?
Oga Martins from Aba, 2-0, I'm leading.
Oga Martins, good morning. Good morning, Oga Martins.
I greet person finish, tell am make him.
He answer you.
He dey prepare to talk, you begin to greet am again.
He answer you.
You know say some people know they like too much greeting. You know say some people know they like too much greeting. Oga Martin, good morning. Oga Martin, good morning.
Chukudi,
Oga Martin, good morning.
Chukudi.
Must you greet who I don't greet?
How many times I don't want you?
No, they want me.
Mind yourself
no,
from
they
this
want
program.
me. That's why Oga Obiora, when they call us from Yola, all the way from Yola, Nko, you know, allow in network
Chukudi.
enter. Oga Bishop from Port Harcourt, first time caller, Nko, you know, allow
my people talk about one guy.
No, they quote your people for me here. No be village meeting with them. No, they quote your people. No, they quote your people for me here.
I don't tell you.
This is a village square.
This issue is an issue that is being addressed. And I don't think they go get conclusion. So allow them do their thing.
Being addressed since June 9th. Oga Femi from Makurdi. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Oga.
Good morning, Oga Femi.
Good morning, Oga Okubi. How are they this morning?
Will they fine?
See, this our topic this morning. A very, very important topic. We say we gas address very well. Like the previous caller said, if we they use 2 months, they plan how we go take settle our house. Then now when the issue of Nigeria one day paramount for their own mind. Now, like Chukudi hacks the other time, say waiting they attached to that position of majority leader, chief whip, waiting they attached to that one. Why that one they give them headache? We don't choose speaker, we don't choose Senate president. Then waiting come be the problem for majority leader, chief whip, waiting down. What is the constitutional power of that majority leader or all those ones? So we say we can't do. So this one shows typically say na selfish interest. Now the portfolio, now the money where they attached to that seat, now in there they fight for. Not the interest of Nigerians. Sincerely, you promised us change. Where is the change now? This is going to how many months now? Yet we are still sitting down, fighting, trying to put our house in order. When Nigeria, a lot of things there on ground for us to attend to. We they meet with president. The precious time we say we're supposed to discuss the way forward with the address the issue of our party. Is that not something else? Please, sincerely, we should address this thing. It's going out of hand. It's not giving us joy at all.
Okay, Femi,
like
thank you very much.
Regret.
As you don't even come hammer this point, as you say, Nkubi body, you don't cool. Nkubi, you are sweating. I can see sweat. I can see sweat.
I'm not.
I can see sweat.
I'm not sweating. No.
You are not sweating. You are not sweating. You are not sweating.
I'm not sweating.
You don't even lose your voice.
I don't only pay attention to it in Oga Femi.
They pay attention to why you no go pay attention to wetin he talk.
Pay attention to it in Oga Femi.
Answer Oga Femi question. Wetin dey go for the position of majority leader?
Comrade Lawi dey call us from Bauchi. Good morning, comrade.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah,
comrade.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Comrade Lawi, you follow them.
I'm not even though today I did Nkubi side.
Thank you.
Because I don't like the way Chukudi they harass you.
Okay, now the harassment they make you fear for that.
Now the harassment, now you allow him. You don't use to allow to express himself. You just be attacking. You know, it's only somebody that is filled with lies that will be attacking somebody. Allow him to express himself. We choose for these people, and he tried to explain to you that this. He said that Oga Presido, he don't want to be doing things gra. At the end, you will start, blaming Oga Buhari. These 20 minutes, there is 30 minutes spent with them, but, we don't have time. We just want to show them he wants to do something for the masses. They are wasting his time. Let them go and settle themselves.
Thank you.
Oga Lawi, you don't make mistake.
He's an animal.
Hold on.
Sharp.
Comrade Lawi, now my side, you dey not be Nkubi side.
Allow him talk.
Now me they say me dem go settle.
Not be your side. Not be Nkubi side because I will die out of Buhari.
Thank you.
Oga Lawi, thank you very much.
Oga Lawi, thank you very much. I beg. Continue to tell people about so they watch this
just
program.
Just like waiting the 8 people when call us before Comrade Lawi talk. 8. Just like the 8 people when call us before Comrade Lawi talk.
From your church mind, talk to not reach 8.
Oga Obiora from Yola, they count. Ambition from Port Harcourt, they count. Emeka from Ikotun, they count. No, wait. Mrs. Onu from Lagos. We don't know what they want to talk. We don't know what they want to talk.
We pick how many calls we don't know what they want to talk.
You don't know what they want to talk. Oga Obiora for me that you know what he starts with. Say Nkubi stop attacking Chukwudi because he's speaking the truth.
Me and you know that one I like.
Nkubi, if to say na PDP and APC reps they get problem, we go talk say na the party they cause am. But na the same people when they the same party when promise Nigerians change, na then they get issue. Why would they get this problem? Oga Mike from Yola. Oga Mike from Yola. Oga Mike from Yola. No, they even the quote proverb for me for this matter.
Hello,
Oga Mike from Yola.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Mike.
This APC team, they promise change. And you people should understand that the Dogara himself is trying to show that change. That is why he wants every zone to have one of the posts in
Thank
the
you very
House
much.
of
Thank you very
Assembly.
much. Tell him.
But I don't understand this APC team. It's like they are somehow, I don't know if it is tribal or religion, I don't understand. But they should understand with Dogara himself. He's doing the right thing. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oga Mike. Short, sharp, and simple. Increasing my points to 9-0. Increasing my points to 9-0 is clear. Nkubi, nobody there on your side. There's no way if we convince Nigeria and say this crisis went on there since June 9th. For people when we vote to represent us, now something when we say we go leave. Oga Predo meet there for 20 minutes. Oga Predo leave all the things when he go they do. They meet with APC reps to settle quarrel between themselves.
They get issue from the very beginning, and then they triumph in the end.
Now house where bricklayer build, no be house where you give confirmed civil engineer to build.
Now then they eventually triumph.
House when they get issue within himself.
See, listen to me.
Oga Valentine from Aguda. Oga Valentine from Aguda.
No, throw hand for me.
No be my hand. Oga Valentine from Aguda. Good morning.
Good
Good morning, Oga Val.
How are you?
We dey fine.
I want to even though
Oga Val, abeg, you go need to move away from that place where the line they break somehow.
Okay.
Hey, Oga Val, and I've been the wait as Oga Val they talk that thing when they talk. I've been the wait as in they talk am. You hear wetin he talk? He call 30 minutes. He call 6 hours. He call APC. He call reps. If we join these two together, wetin the thing mean? Say after the meeting when we say Oga Buhari do with the APC reps for 30 minutes, they call meet for 6 hours. They call
It don't become literature today where they sum everything, they dissect, they decipher, they say you want look in between something, they can't take decision like this it be. See your interpretation to them. Oga Kunle jare, ba sọ̀rọ̀ jare, Oga Kunle, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oga Nkubi and Oga Shifudi. How una dey?
We dey fine. Oga Kunle.
Beg, make Oga Nkubi make he just dey watch, make he not talk anything again.
Thank you very much.
Why won't I say something?
The issue is that if they talk say this or that, if you don't feel sweep your house, how you sweep outside?
Thank you very much.
And again, do you know what? If you build something on a lie, understand, for you to put yourself it on that go hard you. These people don't lie too much. That's why the result of the lie, that's what you are saying today. I'm telling you. Because, and again, you should give this what the guy is trying to do. Let them be independent, understand now. Let them be independent, understand now. Forget, the interest of Nigeria should be supposed to be the first. It's supposed to be the first. You can't just say because and your party is ruling and anything you say, that's what they are going to do. You know go work like that. And then, say, there's an ethic in Yoruba that say, if you don't lie too much, understand, for you to correct yourself, go add you.
Thank you.
Now, the result of that lie, now they happen now. Understand now? They lie a lot for us. Understand now? They lie too much. Understand now? Now they want to put themselves in order now. They can't do it. Understand now? If you say you want change for Nigeria, understand now? This is supposed to be beginning, okay, for over 2 months now. It's just like a town with a king without chiefs. Understand now? Nothing will move forward now. That's everybody. You see what people are experiencing. Okay, now they talk of insecurity. Now it's even worse than even before. You talk of this, everything. Okay, they say they have not paid salary for some states are not do this, all this. This is what you're supposed to look at. Not maybe they gather themselves, they call it fight because of selfish interest.
Oga Kunle, thank you very much. You don't make very important point. If we allow you to continue, Nkubi body go begin the shake.
Your talk touch me small. He enter me small. He enter my body small. So I go one reason with you. Yes, somehow. Some areas. But I still feel say yes, in the interest of our country, Nigeria, we need to at least allow for peace to reign. And at the process of peace and night and day. Ogo Biora is calling us back. Good morning, Ogo Biora. Yes.
Ogabiora, your voice they very, very low.
Very low, no dey hear at all.
Very, very low. And we know say you get very important point. We appreciate say you call us back and we go like make you call us back again to talk this thing because I know say this talk you want direct and go give Unkubi.
No talk say one direct and go.
Now you want give her to.
You mention my name.
You know you now you want
give her to. At least we put her ear down, they try hear the faint words when they talk.
And if they talk
and even start into start with K.
Moving Nigeria forward.
I don't start into start with NK. NK, no.
Unkubi, but more they talk true. More they talk true.
Stupid, I lie here.
No, more they talk true.
I lie here.
Make they talk.
Nigerians don't say my hands they clean. Say at least the fact say I not even mention come out here, can't lie about anything. I just say we would want change really, and they're in the process of change. What is wrong in that?
Unkubi, see.
For a house to be very strong, some issues they did, and that issue that they face right now.
Unkubi, make we face facts now. The problem the bone of contention now the other principal positions.
Yes.
Now in they fight for now. Now, Yakubu Dogara, by virtue of the fact say PDP reps, APC reps, now all of them go join vote for somebody on that day in win election clean and clear. Not be say they can't come at us say now they want. They went to the polls and he won the election. Now this other position, a position of appointment. The speaker they talk say make the caucus them bring people so that every zone go dey represented. Why e be say deputy speaker come from southwest and majority leader won't come from southwest? Wetin dey that position? Na him dey ask.
Titus, talk to us. Good morning, Titus.
Hey, Unkubi.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Yes, I always stay by your side because the other time before election, you were talking about you were behind PDP, and you were talking very good about the government. And now, this your friend that is too wise like a rabbit. He has taken your position now, and he's attacking you, isn't it?
Yes, somehow.
But let me support him small because I wish you were at his own side.
You want to support him?
Your colleague, because
you want to support this one?
Your second colleague there that has taken your position before.
Okay.
APC have promised a lot of promises, and now that everybody has joined from all parties, from all states, they have joined in order to vote APC in. But APC as this specific. Maybe, I don't know, is it religious bias or what? Or they don't want to see a minority taking a position. You know, Dogara is from a minority, and he's not a Muslim, he's not a Hausa man. So they desire to have a Hausa man, a Konk Hausa man there. That's why all these problems are coming in. See, we in the north here, we have known them for long. Not that I'm castigating them. But if they know that Nigeria is for everybody, they will allow everybody to choke mouth into the affairs, the government of the day. But they want to sideline it to one place, one side alone, which Hausa man cannot lead Nigeria alone. Other people must come in order to lead Nigeria. So Buhari should know that it is not the Hausa man that voted him alone, neither the Yoruba man. But the Middle Belters voted him in. And the Eastern people too, they too gave their vote. So they should allow Nigeria to decide on what they should move. Not for them to dictate that it must be in this way. That is why up till now, nothing has been put on ground as a way forward. So it is good to move forward and make a mistake. Then from that mistake, you will correct it. But if you just want it to be what you want, you will continue to wait for years and you will produce nothing for the remaining years that you still have.
Oga Titus, thank you very, very much for your contribution. Yes, and your point, yes, it did casual, no doubt. It did very, very casual because for the interest of our country, Nigeria, at least, make them consider the interest and then the promises that they make them do it, make them make sure say it go round, not be just restricted to some set of people. Oga Mohammed is called. Why did he laugh?
You don't change voice now. You see, I not talk.
Oga Mohammed, they call us now. Mohammed is calling us from Abuja. Good morning, Oga Mohammed.
Hey, Chukudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Mohammed.
Unkubi, good morning.
Yes, we hear you. Right on.
I want to start by saying, Mukuna is not within this last caller talk.
Okay.
You hear me? Caller talk now, what is the cost problem for Nigeria? This last caller, that statement we make is, in fact, is very, very, very wrong and I would say sentimental, for instance. Because he's supposed to talk about the issue on ground. There's nothing like a minority or anything. We are supposed to look at what really happened, what thing happened from the beginning. Because any problem they get genesis. From June 9, what thing happened? We look at the genesis of this problem today. Notwithstanding, I'm still blaming the reps for not bringing their head together. We don't want to bring their head together. But what is the genesis of this problem? It is coming through through the window. Why not do these things from the beginning? They don't make the whole Nigerians see transparency. They come from the window. The genesis of this problem now we look at. What thing caused them? I blame them will not withstand them. I blame them well. But this thing caused this problem from the beginning. This thing has genesis. It gets genesis from the beginning. That June 9, that election we then do. They're not supposed to do one. The way they do that election from the House of Senate to House of Reps, now in the court problem we'll get to this.
Right now, yes.
We can't get Baba, you say, Baba and a person, you say, in the way it's affair.
Yes.
You don't get hand inside. You understand? Make them do their thing. Now in the court of the problem, we are PDP. PDP time, not happen now. Even though it happen during the term one. It not happen during PDP time, all these things. You understand?
Yes.
So genesis of this problem, now we look.
Now we look, and now what we need to address.
Oga Mohammed,
thank you very, very much.
It's very important. Say when we address issues, we go keep them issue-based. Quickly, we go enter break. When we go this break, come back, enter the final lap of Aside Hot, we'll carry our discussion, reach the last bus stop. Una still dey watch Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195, and this na Aside Hot. Welcome back to Aside Hot on top of Wazobia TV Star Times channel 195, and we discuss pressing issues of national interest, and we get caller on top of the line. We go chook man for the matter. His name na Igwe. They call us all the way from Ekiti. Oga Igwe, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Igwe.
Mr. Nkubi.
Good morning.
Adebadu you.
Thank you very much.
Don't mind this, your friend. When they spoil Nigeria, he doesn't know when they are spoiling it. And now, when at least, to spoil something, you can use 1 minute to spoil something, but to rebuild it will take years.
Oga Igwe, this fight when APC reps, they fight now part of the good thing for Nigeria.
Yes, that is where I'm going to. Do you know what happened? Now, Dogara is causing the problem.
Who Dogara? Which party Dogara they?
He did APC, but
so which people get the problem?
Which people get the problem? PDP or APC?
He's wearing APC cloth, but is it PDP inside of it?
Now you talk.
Let me not tell you. Good. Let me not tell you. For example, when the president is from the north, he did not complain. When the Senate president is from the north, he did not complain. When the chief judge is from the north, he did not complain. Himself, he now come out to contest and win. It was when he now win that I remember that one side, the north, must get a member, get a position from the Senate, from the rep. So, to me, is the one causing the problem. Is the one causing the problem. He should, if he know that he really want to want every Nigeria, every part of Nigeria to get position, he should resign first, so that Speaker will come to South.
Okay, Igwe, thank you very much. You don't make very, very important point. But as you watch, I want to make you answer this question. Oga Yakubu Dogara, when be Speaker of the House of Representatives, which political party in there? Which political party in there? Now the question when I go ask you that. So the problem we face now the problem say APC senators, APC legislators, then they get in fighting amongst themselves. Make them settle and make them move Nigeria forward. This not be PDP, APC. Now APC versus APC. Thank you very much. Simple. I don't talk again. I don't even converse. Because you call now, they blame Yakubu Dogara. When be speaker, when the APC. What are they talking since when are they talking? When the APC settle their problem between themselves.
Listen to me. What is it? Take it easy. What is that?
Because you don't
He
concern
said-
APC now. I'm taking it easy.
Enough of you.
Oga Bobby from Amsterdam.
Enough of you.
Oga Bobby from Amsterdam. You don't take sincere colors. Oga Bobby, good morning, sir.
First you get...
Anyway. Good morning, Oga
Good
Bobby.
morning, Shukudi Agokubi.
Good morning, Oga Bobby.
Anyway, if I say, na long time I don't talk to now.
You don't take, you don't take.
So today topic, what I go you say for inside. Not be able to make me do the course because those are irrelevant to me. Because what they pay me, they're different from individually. This topic one at the talk. And my own at the Niger Delta matter on they pay me for inside, you know. So, but actually, my this one come up for ground. What did they inside say when I say for inside? If what did they go on for between APC? No, actually, not concerning the rest of us women Nigerians. You know, the APC matter, but me they find solution to their problem quickly before any other thing. So if now matter of say the guy do one thing or they don't like him, me the iron her quietly. Me nobody even know what happen safe. You understand me now? Iron her quietly. Me nobody's going to say because they call national telly. They toggle here, toggle left and right. This one do this one do that. So me the iron sharp more for grand. You know, me they focus on what they promise Nigeria say they won't do. You understand me?
Oga Bobby, thank you very much. You don't make very important points. And we happy say after all this while, you don't call us. I beg. You be our ambassador outside Nigeria. Continue to watch us in the hot and encourage your friends too to watch us so that they're going to know what is happening inside our country, Nigeria. We don't discuss, go here, discuss, come back. But our legislators, my people, when we say, we don't entrust them, I go speak English, we don't give them the power to move this country forward. We dey hope, say, all the differences when they are inside the APC with the PDP amongst themselves, they go resolve them and give Nigerians the change when we really want. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic where they come out smoke. Unkubi.
No, give me that seat now.
Unkubi.
Our viewers say tomorrow when we go bring and bonga topic come now way from me. Oh, bye bye. No, they give me that seat.
This course don't complete now.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.